So we put in the work. Now it's time to show you guys what we've done. So if you guys are new to our channel, we are converting a 16 by 50 Dirksen shed to house. It's not completely done, as you can see, but we have completed my master bedroom and bathroom. So let's go check it out. So guys, I just wanted to clarify, we are not builders or contractors. We're just three average Joes trying to get mortgage free. So we decided to convert this shed into a house. So my bedroom is 12 feet by 10 feet. So as you can see behind me, I have the two long windows and this window over here. The two long windows were $12 a piece. The big window was $25. We got them from the Habitat for Humanity out of Dallas, Texas. We think that was pretty much a steal. So I have a queen size bed. As you can see, there's plenty of room to walk around both sides of my bed. I have a nightstand on one side and my AC unit on the other. So I'm sure you guys are curious on what I do for heat. As you can see here, I have a heater. I got it from Walmart for around $100. It completely heats up my entire bedroom and my bathroom. Behind me here is a rustic barn door. We built this for $50. If you want to check out the video for that, check out the link below. It's how to build a rustic barn door for less than $50. Up here, I have a smoke alarm. I recommend everybody that's doing this shed to house conversion to have one. Up here, I have a flat screen 50-inch TV. Just kind of give you an idea of how wide the wall is. This is just a cheap little stand from Walmart. We're going to probably build something later on, but this is just a quick fix for me. And this is the internet. Those are my dirty clothes. I know somebody's gonna hate on me, but you guys are lucky I even cleaned my room to start with. As far as AC goes, I have a small Frigidaire AC unit that we mounted into the wall. I personally didn't want to have it in the window, so we built it into the wall. On the outside, we have a cover over it. It allows enough air to go through, but I have it down low. We live in Texas, and it keeps this room ice cold. And one of my favorite things about my bedroom are my custom barn doors. So as far as pricing goes on these things, we went to Home Depot. I wanted to check them out. It was like $400, which we thought was crazy. So I got on Amazon, got the hardware here for $75. We bought the wood for around $50. Handles were $10 each, so a total of around $150 to get this done. So I'm sure you guys are curious about the shiplap on the wall. I'll tell you right now, it was a pain in the ass to do. We made it ourselves. It's faux shiplap. I would recommend going with the tongue and groove from Home Depot. We learned the hard way. So in order to get this look, we had to put plywood behind this, and then we got veneer, thin plywood, ripped them up into 8-inch sections. We nailed them to it. We went back, and to get this dark look right here, we had to go and we spray painted it. You're wondering, why the hell would you spray paint it? So when we first put it on and we painted it, you can still see all the plywood in the cracks here. And we were trying to think of what we could do. So we got like a dark, I believe it was like a gray color spray paint. We spray painted lines across here, which you can see in our other videos. And then we went back over and painted it. And I think overall it came out pretty well. But if I had to do it all over again, I would definitely go with the tongue and groove from Home Depot. So that pretty much sums it up here in my bedroom. If you guys have been following us, you'll notice that we have a lot of changes in my bathroom, so let's go check it out. about is my stand-up shower. I absolutely love it. We got the shell on the bottom from Home Depot. It was like, I believe, $150. So we had a curtain up and it would allow water all over the floor. I couldn't stand that. So Jason and I went to Home Depot. We picked up this glass door. It was roughly $500. It was the best investment I had in this bathroom. So back here we have porcelain tile. We did all the work ourselves. It goes up to about 7 foot. As you can see, we did the faux shiplap all up on the top of the shower. So I opted out of a bathtub. The reason being is I have a prosthetic leg and it's easier for me to get in and out of the shower instead of having to climb over a tub each day. This is our first time ever doing any of this kind of work, and it was actually a lot easier than we thought, and I think it actually came out pretty well. As you can see over here, I just have this stand that I got from Walmart. It just allows me to have little cubbies here. I have some little knickknacks and whatnot here. So we didn't want the vanity to go all the way up to the shower. We had this little gap here. I figured this would utilize the space perfectly. Having all this extra storage is awesome. When you live in a tiny house or a shed house, having storage is the key essential to everything. So over here we have our custom built vanity. We did everything ourselves. You can see over here we have storage for towels or any other bathroom items you may need. Down here we have all the plumbing. Up here we have our farm sink. I absolutely love it. We got a little farm style mirror up here. Farm style lights, as you can tell. I went for a farm style look. We decided to go back. If you had watched our other videos, we had the faux shiplap back here, but we wanted to kick it up a notch. Bam! So we did the cedar wall back here. Absolutely love it. I think it came out pretty great. Down below here, I have a tankless water heater. That thing works amazing. You could take an hour-long shower and never run out of hot water. We'll put the link in the description down below. And over here, as you can see, this is where all my business takes place. If it gets a little stinky in here, we added in a ventilation system, which I think is essential in a small living space. It allows all the condensation and nasty smells to go out of the house. It's just my other light up here. It's kind of loud, but it does the job. So you can never have too much storage. So I had Jason custom build me this 8-foot tall shelf unit. I think it actually pops really well with the cedar wall back here. So I'm sure some of you are wondering, where the hell is this guy's closet at? Or if you followed our channel, what happened to his closet? Well, I got a treat for you guys. Let's check this out. So as you can see, my toilet is off center on the wall for a reason. It allows me access to get to my hidden closet. I have all my clothes and everything back here. I'm not going to show you the inside of my closet. It just looks like everybody else's with dress clothes and whatnot. But I thought it was going to be a pretty badass idea to have a hidden closet in my house. And if anyone ever decides to break into my house, I have a place to hide. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of my master bedroom and bathroom. Check out our channel. We have a playlist from when we got the building delivered all the way up till now. We have tons and tons of videos. We have a total cost video, floor plan video, anything and everything you want to see. Check out our channel. It's all on there. So as always, subscribe and hit the notification button. Check out our Facebook and our Instagram at the Crocker Homestead. In case you guys are wondering what Jason and Jaylene are going to be up to, they're in the planning stages of either building their tiny house or they might be building a small shed house. I'm looking forward to see what they can come up with. But as far as I'm concerned, I gotta go to the bathroom, so I'll see you guys later.